Welcome to lesson 12. This is our final module in our 12 steps to playing the piano. I want to congratulate you for coming this far with me in this journey. So I wanted to encourage you and in the process of learning how to play the piano. It is a lifelong journey and it takes time to understand how the instrument can create beautiful melodies. It takes time to absorb the concepts and apply the concepts and take it as your own as well. A lot of the times we learn the basics, but it's fun when you can make it your own. You can create melodies and you can take it even further and being able to play. So that's something that's very, very exciting. So I want to encourage you to stay with it and being able to practice. So how do you set yourself up for success? That's what I want you to take on with this lesson before we close our 12 steps to playing the piano. Make sure that you set time as much as possible to practice. I know we all have busy lives and it's hard to fit one more thing in our schedule, but I want to encourage you to take 10 minutes out of your very, very busy day to practice. More time would be excellent. 30 minutes will probably be ideal, is where you're going to see more progress a lot quicker. But if your goal is to simply understand the basics of the piano, sit with this course for a little bit and take 10-15 minutes out of your day to just listen, apply some of the things that we've learned into the piano, and develop and being able to make it your own language. Okay, that's what I want you to remember. It's taking time and take time for you to pursue this. So I've been playing the piano my entire life and it was not easy and it's still not easy. It's a lifelong journey, but I want to encourage you that it's a worthwhile journey to come and being able to play the piano. You're going to get so much out of it. You're going to learn a lot even about yourself, and you're going to discover beautiful music in the process as well. If you'd like to know more information on how you can study with me, you can go to my website, pianoperformancearts.com. I will leave the link in the description below, and you can sign up for a free trial with me as well, and I will be happy to chat with you and answer any questions that you have. So if you have any questions, any comments, you can leave them in the description below. And again, I want to encourage you to stay with piano and practice and keep striving to make beautiful music. Thank you so much, and until next time.